Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the latest update on Discord, specifically how to view your phone number on PC. If you've ever wondered where to find this information, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings without any issues. Now, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your username displayed along with a little gear icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will take you into the user settings menu. Once you're in the settings, keep an eye on the left sidebar. Make sure you click on My Account if it isn't already selected. This section is where all your account details are, including your phone number. Now, right in the middle of the My Account screen, you'll see a field labeled Phone Number. Next to that, there's a button that says Reveal. Click on that button, and voila! Your phone number will be displayed for you to view. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully revealed your phone number on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.